Hi, it's Sonnaz here. I am an upholsterer by trade and I run a small bespoke interiors business in Dorset, but you may also recognise me as the resident upholstery expert on BBC's The Repair Shop, and I'm thrilled to be joining Speakers for Schools for a free event talking all things creative careers on Wednesday the 18th of October, 6:30 p.m. and Speakers for Schools helps state school students have access to thousands of creative work experiences just like mine, and I had no idea that I could have a career in a creative industry. And actually it's important to know that even if you don't know somebody in the industry, you can still pursue that route if you'd like to. So parents, carers and young people, please join me as one of their speakers on Wednesday the 18th of October, 6:30 p.m. for this free event with Speakers for Schools. The link is in my bio and I look forward to seeing you then.